playing with color. 4 looks in 4 days using the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker Palette. Welcome to Fabulous Life 101. If you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification right now. Hello, beautiful people. Well, my daughter surprised me with a bag full of makeup, including this palette, on my birthday a few days ago. So I decided to create a different look using different color scheme for 4 consecutive days. And this is the results. Day 1 of my color test with the Jawbreaker palette. Because of what I'm wearing today, this is Philip Lynn for Target, and it's primarily orange with blue. I'm going to color coordinate. First color I'm going to use is Cone. And I'm putting this all over the base of my lid and a touch of it under the brow. The next shade I'm using is Orange Juice. I'm going to put this right, sort of start by cutting the crease a little bit. Cutting the crease and covering the basic part of the lid over the eyeball. Now I'm going to use this color called Sick, and I'm just going to do that a little bit in the corners. This is basically the outer corner. And I'm going to take this dark blue color called Delicious and use that as a liner. And now I'm going in with Snack and sort of blending it together. Okay, the final step is mascara. A little mascara, a little color on the cheeks, and the look is complete. It's day 2 of playing with color using the Jawbreaker palette. Today I'm going to play up on pinks and greens. And again, I'm going to start using as a base, Good Morning. Good morning, everybody. Now, for liner, I'm going to be very colorful, and I'm going to use this green Sour. And I extend the corners up to the crease, and then kind of create sort of like a little triangle here. All right, now I'm going to take this shade called Bubblegum and put in the crease. By the way, I hate bubblegum, but this is a really cool shade still. And just put this in the corner because it's very bright. And then I'm going to, for my crease and just sort of blend it together, I'm going to use this beautiful cotton candy here. I gently tap along the crease and sort of blend it along. A little more touch up with the green. Okay, I'm going to finish up with mascara and show you the final look. Okay, put my mascara on. I also had a little bit of this legendary shade of the 24 Karat Skin Frost palette onto my cheeks. So my look is done. This is my pink and green look. Day 2, playing with color. Playing with color, day 3, using the Jawbreaker palette. Today, I'm wearing a lot of blues. My color scheme is going to reflect the blue and green colors in my blouse. I think I'm going to start again with Good Morning, just to line my lids. And to cut the crease today, I'm going to go with Cute. which is sort of a pretty little sort of turquoisey color. As a liner, I'm going to try Soaked, this beautiful royal blue right here. I'm putting that right along my lash line. I also put a little bit of the Soaked right in the outer corners. Now I think I'm going to take this silvery Jawbreaker color and just sort of go all over and blend a little bit. This just gives it a little bit of shimmer and it kind of blends the colors together. Okay, that's my basic look for today. I'm going to finish up with mascara and a little bit of blush and get back to you. Okay, the look is complete for day 3, focusing on blue, green, and silver from the Jawbreaker palette. I'll put a link to all the makeup I'm wearing all of the days down below. Okay, all my meetings are done. I'm back home. I want to play around with this look a little bit more and glam it up a bit. So back into the Jawbreaker palette. And this time, I'm going to take Soaked again and just dramatize it a little bit. Extend it into the crease. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with this Brain Freeze. And I'll take a little more of the Jawbreaker and just go all up on the top part of my lid. And let me take this little brush, little narrow brush here, and play with this sour green. And again, I'll take Jawbreaker and just do a little more blending. Okay, is that glam enough? Maybe I need a little purple. Now I'm going to try Bite Me. All right, y'all. Now you see the potential of this palette. You can go nice and tasteful or wild and crazy. It's a lot of fun. And I enjoy getting glam every once in a while. Today is day 4 of my Playing with Color challenge. And I am going to be playing with the gold. Again, I'm using the Jawbreaker palette. And lots of yellows, golds, reds, so I'm going to have fun with those colors today. Again, I'm going to start with just a neutral good morning. Oh, good morning. I have a guest today. This is Sansa. Okay, again, I am going to start with the neutral good morning. This just makes a good clean base for my eyelids. And I do already have on primer. All week I've been using the Too Faced eye primer, and I'll put a link to that and everything else in the description below. So my next color today, I'm going to go with this Wow bright yellow, and put this on my flat crease brush and go in along the crease. Very bright yellow color. All of Jeffree's palettes do have very strong pigmentation. I think to stick with my colorful scheme for today, I'm going to line with raspberry. Take a little brush, fill in the corners. Let's try a little bit of this and what to kind of bring it together. I'm just doing that sort of right, going into the crease line. And to blend everything together, I'm going with this glittery lemon drop and just go over it all, blend it together. Just a few finishing touches, mascara, blush, and I'll be back. Look is complete, ready to head out for the day. By the way, if you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications. Also, would love to hear your comments. Do you have a favorite color you like to use in makeup, or are you afraid of color? Let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.